Hi, my name is Brenna, and today in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a personal banner in Adobe Express. I will also show you how to resize it to fit your different social media platforms while remaining consistent. First, you can search for template banners in the search bar. You can size it later, so just find one you like. Now you'll be brought to the design process. On the left-hand side, you have Discover, Templates, Text, Photos, Shapes, Design Assets, Backgrounds, Logos, and Libraries. Discover shows you a random selection of templates, text, photos, shapes, and etc. Design assets range from effects, frames, to illustrations. If you're an organization or company, you can upload frequently used logos and save them for future uses. On your right, you have colors, animation, layout, resize, and design. We will focus on the resize button towards the end of the video. Once you are content with your banner, click the Resize button on the right sidebar. As you can see, you can customize your banner with any dimension. Be sure to check for the latest size dimensions for each social media platform. To download, click the top right button, select PNG, and start download. To upload your banner to LinkedIn, click the pencil icon in your banner. Select Change Photo, then Upload Photo, and select your banner. Adjust if needed, then click Apply. Amazing! Here's the same banner, just on Twitter. Thank you and have a great day.